Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ama-results bafethu okubhethwe Premiership. I-Orlando Pirates iwine 3-1 ishaya i-Golden Arrows. Imamelodi Sundowns iwine 1-0 ishaya i-TS Galaxy. Marumo Gallants ishawe i-Durban City 1-0 neSwelele sikwazile ukuwina 2-0. Orlando Pirates statement win man. Mawubheka i-3-1 yabo. I-game beyi-strong like from both sides. Bebangadlali ne-team e-weak, bebadlala ne-team e-strong ene-confidence ecoachwa uManqoba Mnqithi. But igoli lokuqala livele from a creation kaNdaba, iplayer elisha laphana ku-Orlando Pirates elidlala i-left back, azange a-give up umfana uye laphana phambili wakwazi ukulishaya ibhola, then kwaba i-own goal ekugcineni. Sibonile ukuthi kube i-own goal via ikhanda. But-ke i-man of the day, like i-man of the match, I think Orlando Pirates uMbuthuma bafethu ukwazile ukushaya amagoli awu-2 for i-Orlando Pirates. Ibhalansi yakhe kugoli leli lesi-3. But-ke, I mean, what I liked about igoli lakhe lesithathu bafethu, lokhu njani uRillem Mofokeng, I mean, what an assist. uRillem Mofokeng unomlingo wakhe bafethu, umuntu o-important kakhulu ku-Orlando Pirates. Bebamkhumbula umfana adila nama-injuries, but-ke ubuyile. Igoli-ke abaliconceded ku-Orlando Pirates, uSiema, easily exposed, like akanayo le nkani le. He was easily beaten, like bamshaya ngomzimba, uhluleki umuntu ujike la phambi kwakhe. Disappointing laphana defense from Orlando Pirates, but-ke uMbuthuma ngo-70, I think it was 72, 73 minutes lapho okwazile ukuzithola ku-position e-right again, waliqedelela ibhola after a good play. I think uMbatha, and then-ke u-assistwe uTito laphana. So uMbuthuma is gaining confidence laphana. I mean, siyakhumbula ukuthi Orlando Pirates bafethu inokudlala nge-striker inokudlala without even i-striker. So uMbuthuma uphakamisa isandla sakhe, uyababonisa ukuthi angaba i-number 9 e-serious for bona. Siyazi ukuthi akaqalanga uMbuthuma, aqala u-Evidence Makgopa, but uMbuthuma he came and wenza izinto zenzeka laphana for i-Orlando Pirates bafethu. So congratulations for uMbuthuma ukuthi akwazi ukuthola lamagoli lawa abalulekile for i-Orlando Pirates, taking them to second on the log. Still banama-2 game in handy for against lokhu njani iMamelodi Sundowns. So kuzobasiza lokhu mase sokubalwa kahle, cause i-Orlando Pirates ina 22 points, iMamelodi Sundowns ina 25 points ku-number 1, whereas i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-number 3 laphana nga 22 points nayo. Sekhukhune United, they're not far off because bana 21 points, badlala 11 games. Orlando Pirates in 2 games in hand. Yeah, man, a good performance for Orlando Pirates. Mamelodi Sundowns basiye emechini yakhona. TS Galaxy bafethu first half i-dominated in terms of create ama-chances. TS Galaxy ngabe ibe namagoli at least 2 first half, but uRonwen Williams, he made good saves for iMamelodi Sundowns. Ngibonile laphana abamba i-chance enkulu kaDithejane. I think experience at the end of the day bashaya abafana mebedlala neMamelodi Sundowns, because of you have to take your opportunities. Kumele umake sure bafethu ukuthi uyawathatha ama-opportunities wakho. Uma ungawathatha ama-opportunities wakho watholayo uzoba senkingeni. A good goal from Arthur Salas bafethu, a very good goal. But-ke kumele sithi kudos to uReyners okwazile ukuliholda lela bhola lela, washaya i-assist. A good goal for Arthur Salas. Quality lakhe, I mean, i-defender likhona li-advance, but-ke na wakwazi uku-opena umzimba wakhe waplacea nje i-sport. Yeah, it was very difficult for goalkeeper ukuthi alisave lela bhola lela. But yeah, uMamelodi Sundowns then after lokhu yakwazi ukumanager iscore sabo le 1-0 yabo until the end of the game. But going to i-Orlando Pirates, i-dominated i-position. But-ke ama-shots on target we-Orlando Pirates sibonile abe-6 bafethu, then bashaye ka-11 epalini. I-Golden Arrows nayo ishaye ka-4, ibe nama-shots on target awu-3, ibe nawo ama-moments, but-ke you could see the difference between equality. But yeah, uMofokeng u-genius laphana we-Orlando Pirates. I mean, i-player eli-important kakhulu for i-Orlando Pirates njengoba bengishilo bafethu. But bane-squad esikhulu. I mean, obviously they are breathing heavy laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi bayabagijimisa. I-league izoba interesting kakhulu bafethu this season. Ama-player amisele, considering ukuthi Orlando Pirates bafethu ayikho laphana indaba ye-Champions League yabo ngathi ayisekho, kumele bakwazi ukuyiwina i-league. Khuliso Mudau, I wanna go back to Khuliso Mudau bafethu. What a player, because there was a moment la Ronwen Williams he was beaten but yena wakwazi ukufika laphana ekugcineni walikhipha ibhola. I mean what a I mean if khona umuntu oyistar ebholeni lase-South Africa bafethu njengoba ngike ngasho ukuthi what a player uKhuliso Mudau. I mean going forward uyakwazi ukushaya ama-assist laphana, khona la nebhola phambili laya ubani lagcina fika ibhola ebelihamba naye lagcina lafika kuPeter Shalulile walishaya ibhola. URevlika unfortunately uthe yena sejajile i-free kick lapha, but it was a goal for iMamelodi Sundowns shaya uPeter Shalulile. I-run eqale ubani uye umfowethu laphana lo Mudau. But yeah, ama-game was strong namhlanje. TS Galaxy, they would look at ama-opportunities abawa-create-ile laphana and say ngabe bakwazile ukuyiwina igame, but yeah, bakwazanga ukuyiwina igame. Ronwen Williams, a clean sheet, which is important for him. Orlando Pirates, Sipho Shane akakwazanga ukuthola i-clean sheet. But as long into ebalulekile ama-results bafethu, the most important thing ama-results. Ngikhumbula lapha bafethu first half kuMamelodi Sundowns hayi ubaseyivile bafethu lo Williams, khona la shaya khona i-double saves, bokuyikhona lashaya ey'nyaweni waliseva ngey'nyawo and then wabuya sashaya istriker se-TS Galaxy futhi wakwazi ukuliseva. I mean le nto beyibhaliwe ukuthi i-goal, but uWilliams something uyakwazi ukuyikhipha iMamelodi Sundowns ehlathini kuma-opportunities amaningi a-create-wa ama-chance, a-create-wa ama-opposition. But yeah, it was his day I guess ukuthi akwazi ukuseva and he's comfortable, like he's not akusu-goalkeeper ongathi unama-fancy reflexes, but ukubaseva bafethu uyabaseva kakhulu. Igoli leMamelodi Sundowns leli engikhuluma ngalo lize nge-through pass from i-defense eMamelodi Sundowns, just 3 touches. I-defender libamba ibhola lathi through pass le phambili to uReynolds waligoba atasaleso lishaya phakathi ibhola. Okuzivezelayo ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns, I mean just 3 passes kuphela ivula i-defense ye-TS Galaxy. Yiyo lento and i-defense ye-TS Galaxy ngathi i-covered laphana eboxini bayi-5 mangibabheka abafana be-TS Galaxy bawu-5 bafethu ucabanga, but yeah bahlulekile ukumaka. iMamelodi Sundowns dominated but 72% i-ball position, 16 shots attempt, 7 on target, but guess what, ne-TS Galaxy ishayile 5 on target, but-ke bahlulekile ukukora. But complete dominance again iMamelodi Sundowns. I mean 72% ball position. I mean that's a great thing for Mamelodi Sundowns. They continue their dominance inside the field of play in terms of control game no protector i-lead yabo, which is very important. Iswelele FC swine 2-0 naso. Iswelele sivukile bafethu. Kore uPotsane iplayer bedlalela iKaizer Chiefs. Ubani lo obasquarele uMadidinga, ngizolikhumbula igama lakhe umfowethu, but udlala kahle kakhulu, sekanama-assist laphana ku-Betway Premiership. Umuntu obaluleke kakhulu for Iswelele and i-coach yeSwelele FC bafethu ngikhumbula idlala ne-Orlando Pirates yasho ukuthi seba-improvile, bazokwenza kangcono, bazozama ngempela ukuthola ama-results, ngeke bawaluze ama-match wabo and guess what, uthembisile and bakwenzile straight lento leyo ukuthi bangaluzi vele. Yeah, uMagidigidi yes, le player leli elihlakaniphe kakhulu, assistile waphinde washaya igoli. Ushaye uBito Stevens ngeskill and then walishaya phakathi. Iswelele they are back. Bekubonakala ngathi balwela i-relegation but manje bakwazile ngempela bafethu ukukhuphuka kancane kancane laphana. Good results for bona Iswelele FC. I-Durban City-ke nayo ikwazile ukuwina 1-0, seyina-18 points, seyingenile ku-top 8 i-Durban City. Yeah, I mean Gavin Hunt siyamazi ukuthi une-experience kakhulu in terms of ukugrinda ama-results, ukuthola ama-results nanokuthi akwazi ukubhalansa i-lead yakhe laphana. Igame obviously badlala ne-team, mina khona into engingayi-understand-ke bafethu, iMarumo Gallants strong kakhulu mayidlala nama-team amakhulu, but kuyahluleka kulama-team lawa amancane. I think a good play from uMaseko esayidini lakwa-left bafethu step over wabhithi player then wascore ibhola. Domingo siyamkhumbula, former Mamelodi Sundowns, former Cape Town City star, ushaya igoli elihle lapha ne-18, ukwazile ukuliqedelela wanika uGavin Hunt yonke i-3 points bafethu. good football, good assist, 78 minutes bakwazi ukulishaya igoli. Njengoba ngisasho bafethu, ayiyamangaza iMarumo Gallants. Marumo Gallants against ama-big three ayikakaluzi this season. Ishaye i-Orlando Pirates, yaknokha out iMamelodi Sundowns kuma-penalty ku-Carling, yadrawa nabelikini, yadrawa ne-Kaizer Chiefs, mayidlala nama-team amancane. Mawuthi uyabheka elikini ukuthi I think ina-13 points in 12 games or so. Hhayi, ngathi akuhambanga kahle, but ngicela ukuyibamba la bafethu eza namhlanje. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page leli bafethu lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.